This is the view you have been searching for. The custom-built home has masterful alder woodwork throughout. Tall ceilings, tall solid core doors, magnificent stacked stone fireplace and so much more, a must-see. Upstairs is the third bedroom or could even be a third living area. The north bedroom has the walk-in closet that is also the safe room. Cathedral ceilings, granite counter, stainless steel appliances, 2 spacious walk-in showers, jacuzzi tub. The storage is supreme and seemingly endless. The halls are wider and offers great handicap access. The outside is even better. You have a 30x40 shop that is insulated with a natural gas heater and AGDOP. On the north side of the shop is a covered area of additional 10x40 cover. Then there is a 12x36 RV carport as well as a 12x40 loafing shed.